Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. I literally had to film this a couple of times, the intro, because I totally forgot what I say, and I think I might have messed it up just a little bit. So excuse my hair, it's kind of levantado poquito. I'm sorry. But anyway, so as y'all saw in today's video, well, in today's thumbnail, I said video if y'all have seen it already. Okay, so in today's video we have a special prize, and it's the Jeffree Star mystery box. So we have a lot to talk about that. So if you want to know what I got in this box, continue on watching. Okay guys, so like I said, I got a mystery box from Jeffree Star that came out I think last week, and I came in I think yesterday, Saturday. You guys, so let me be honest with you, I did open it, and I had told my boyfriend that I had opened it already because he saw me what I was wearing. So he was like, oh my god, why did you open it? You were supposed to get your reaction on what you got and stuff. But when I get something, when I receive something, I'm very curious. I'm a very, very curious person. I want to know what's in it. So if I get a package, I'm going to see it first before I even film it. You know what I'm saying? Though it shouldn't go like that. But yes, he got mad at me because I did that. But that's okay, because I'm still gonna have good reactions when I open it up, because I didn't see everything. I just looked at it. The first thing I saw was the shirt. So yeah, so this is the first item that I saw first in the box. It's a Jeffree Star shirt. It's the Valentine's shirt, and in the back it has those little dulcitos that they do for Valentine's. You can see it, but this is one of the items I got in the box. So I don't even know why I'm starting with the box if I haven't even explained what happened. Okay, so when I told my boyfriend I wanted this box, he was like, ni modo. He told me no, and so I was like, damn it. And so as soon as it came out, as soon as it was on the site, he told me it was going to be a surprise. But for some reason the little buttons to do premium, deluxe, or supreme were not working. It wasn't working for me on my phone, it wasn't working for him. So after batallando so much on the website trying to get the supreme box, Jeffree Star tweeted and the supreme box was sold out in 8 minutes. I got pissed because it wasn't working on a mobile phone. And then you had some people tweeting that they were able to get the supreme box because they had ordered on a computer and stuff. So I kept trying, and then I also flipped my phone to the side to see if I was able to switch it. It wasn't working for me. And so my boyfriend texted me. He was like, okay, so I got it. And I was like, how did you get it? He was like, because I tilted my phone to the side. Well, not tilted, well, turned my phone to the side, and it worked for me. So I did that first before he even told me I did that. It still wasn't working for me. I refreshed it, it still wasn't working for me until I guess the later on that day when I tried to click it, it started working. I was like, really? So I was kind of pissed off because I wasn't able to get the supreme box. I remember I showed y'all guys the supreme box I got for Halloween and stuff. If they had some good items, I had gotten a whole tracksuit, which I really haven't worn it together. I had wore the jacket. I wear the jacket a lot, so yeah. So I really enjoy the items I did get. So like I said, I already showed you guys the shirt, and pretty cool. I really wanted the jacket. I really did wanted the jacket. The jacket was pretty cool. So here is the deluxe box. The deluxe box comes with 8 items. I think the first one came with 5 and this one comes with 8, and the Supreme comes with 12, but I was only able to get the deluxe box. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside. So first things first, when I told you guys I got the shirt, that's the first thing I had saw. So let's get, so when I opened it, I did do a little bit of digging and stuff. So when I saw the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set, I was shooken. Like, I was so happy because the first box I got, it was just 1 straw, but I have a whole set and I actually already used one. The other one, the one I used was all like matte black, and these are like the black straws. They have like a silver one and then a black one that goes like straight. We have the cleaner brush here, and we have 2 of them right here. They're like a dark gray and a light gray. Ooh, I didn't like that sound. It hurt my teeth. Okay, so yeah, so that was one of the things. You know, next time, Giovanni, my boyfriend, is right, I'm gonna just go ahead and film it so I can get a good, y'all can get a good reaction of me or whatever, because he's mad that I didn't do that. So now I'm mad because I feel like this video won't be like too good because y'all are not getting a good reaction of me, but we're gonna try our best and trying to put this sticker in here. So bam, that's the second item that I got. So third item, we got a Jeffree star cap. Haven't tried it on yet, but I like the fact that it has like the stars on the inside. It's pretty cool. And then we have the star on the front, and it's pink. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, at first I wasn't a big fan of pink, but now like I'm more like a big fan of pink now. I love pink. So let's try it on. It's like, okay, so every time I get a cap, I have to like adjust the little thing in the back to make sure it fits. But it's like, if they knew how big my head was, like it fit perfectly. Yeah, oh, it fits so perfect. Like I didn't even have to like adjust it, and you guys saw it was still in the bag. I did not adjust it. So ooh, girl, you look so cute. Okay, I look cute. I'm gonna have to wear this hat more often. Okay, so next we have, I'm pretty sure it's a palette. Again, this is literally the second time, well, yeah, the second time I get this palette. So if y'all seen my first mystery box, the Halloween one, I received the mini breaker palette. So I have an idea what I'm going to do with this baby. So I will tell you guys at the end. So that was the palette. This is probably my least favorite. I didn't like that. That's the fact that they gave me like the same palette from the last box. Switch it up a little bit, Jeffree. Jeffree Star Cosmetics 24 Karat Skin Frost Pro Palette. Baby. Your girl has been needing some new highlight. Ooh, that is cute. And the texture is so cute. You can't even see it. Oh, there you go. It gets dark. Baby. We got some 6 shades here. Some really nice colors. Should we do like a swap? I think we're gonna do a swap. All right, so first one we're going to is Scarro. I don't even know how to pronounce these things, bro. All right, that's the first one. Oh, baby. Look at that. That's nice, guys. All right, next we're going to King Tut. It's more like a little brown shade. Ooh, yes, that is freaking nice. It's probably like the same skin tone color of my skin tone, but if we move it just a little bit, you can see that second one right here. And then we're gonna go to Dark Horse. This is more like a dark brownish shade. Oh yes, honey, you guys see that on the spot. You don't even have to go over it twice. Okay, so next we're gonna go into Legendary. It's like a red shade right here. Oh yes, you see it right there, like just with like one swatch, it's like it's there. Okay, next we're going to Giza. It's like another brown one. We're gonna go like right under. Oh yeah, these shades are beautiful. You can use these for like a pressed eyeshadow. So, and next we're gonna go into Liberace. Oh yes, wow, that's a pretty color. Wow, so these are the colors. You can see them. It's so freaking pretty. I'm so gonna use this as soon as possible. Alright, so moving that out of the way. Alright, so we have the gloss, and this is in the shade Candy Drip. I'm about to put this in here. Oh, this is nice. Oh shit. Let me see. Okay, y'all see that. Y'all see that. And it smells good too. This is a cute color. I love it. You can barely see my eyes in this hat. There we go. I could so go for a dude. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Okay, so next color. Well, next color, what the hell? So next thing we are gonna go to is what we have is a liquid lipstick, and this is a mystery shade. This is the mystery shade. Shake well before using. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a name to it. This is a mystery shade, but it's so pretty. It's like a nice little red. Ooh, we're about to put this on. Ooh, I love it. That's a pretty color. Doesn't have a name to it. Maybe I'll name it Raspberry myself. It's named Raspberry. And when I use it one day on my videos, watch, I'm gonna remember. It's gonna be called Raspberry. Watch. All right, so last thing. Okay. It's this nice pink. This is a Jeffree Star Hand mirror. As y'all seen on my last one, I had the orange one. Let's see what color is this one. You guys can see it before me. Alright. You guys, take a look at it. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yo, that is killer. That is dope. This is like freaking dope. Like, okay, so it's, when you look at it face, well, up like this, it looks like a gray, but then like tilted to the side and is black. Ooh, yes, I see you, you see you. Yes. Ooh, baby, this is so cute. All right, these are not going to be used. Remember I said that the orange one wasn't going to be used. It was going to be left to the side. Well, I ended up using it. I can't ever keep my word because it's like freaking cute. Okay, so that is practically all the 8 items I have received on this in this box, on the deluxe box. So I was thinking, all right, first thoughts, love the box, pretty cool. I love the mirror came out really cool. Lipstick, lip gloss, loved it. But the one thing I didn't like was the mini palette. Like, this is the second time I get the mini palette, because the first one I got it, well, my boyfriend had bought me the mini palette was when they came out. Then I had received it on my Halloween, which is not totally their fault. And I had received it in this box. I just feel like I kind of wanted the conspiracy palette. I was hoping for the conspiracy mini palette because I know they still have some in stock, but I didn't get that, sadly. But maybe I will be doing another giveaway, and this palette is going to be given away. And I will add on some other stuff on there, but I'm not sure when I'm going to be doing the giveaway. But if you think I should do another giveaway, you guys give this video a big thumbs up and drop some comments down below. That's all I ask for if you want another giveaway. So yeah, you guys, and overall I did love the box. You know, I'm kind of excited for another box whenever he comes out with another box. These shades are really pretty, but that's probably like the most thing I didn't like about the box, is that he didn't switch it up a little bit. He gave the mini breaker palette again, which I have it already. Like, I already have like 2 of them in my drawers. But I might be like, like I said, I'm gonna be giving this one away, and if you think I should give it away or whatever, excuse me, if you think I should give it away, like I said, leave some likes and some comments, you guys. You know, that's what I need. I need some likes and some comments. So if I get a bunch of likes, then for sure I will be giving it away with some other stuff. So yeah, guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop some comments down below. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you want this giveaway to be on. And like I said, if I do a giveaway, you have to be following me on my Instagram, because that's the only way I can get in contact with you. So yeah, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.